Hi everyone, all of you must have seen the thumbnail. Many people are thinking only about the BTech. Okay, so and for the BTech, what they are doing, BTech or MBBS, they are thinking that these are the only option the 10 plus 2 after the 10 plus 2, but it is not so. Many students after BTech they are striving hard for getting a job. Okay, this is just all because of the lack of information and proper guidance from the 10th class. If you are properly guided from the 10th class, if you start thinking about your future just from the 10th class and study properly from the 11th and 12th in the right direction, definitely you can be helpful to your parents. Instead of asking money or taking money from your parents, you can give them money and without disturbing your career. Okay, so those students who are in class 11, those students who are in the class 12, those who are in the graduation, they can earn money from first 3 years. They can earn money 5k, and after that it will be increased, and annual grant also you will be getting. Okay, after that it will be 7 to 8,000. Okay, so first 3 years will be 5,000 minimum, and it depends on your caliber. You can increase that amount also, and after that also you can increase. Okay, annual grant also you will be keep on getting. So instead of taking money and doing BTech and after that searching for the job or going for MTech, these are the main problems nowadays youth is facing in India. Okay, and there is one more problem also. What is that? There is no research done in the India. Okay, because everybody wanted to complete their 11th and 12th class, and after that they will go for a BTech and they will search for a job. Somehow they will get job 5 to 10,000, sometimes less than that also, and they will be staying back years together in their home without job. Okay, so to avoid that, I am giving you the guidance which is applicable for three types of students. Okay, those who are presently in class 11, 12th are in graduation first year, are those who wanted to go for the research field, are those who are financial background is poor. Then if you meet any of this condition, this video is for you. Okay, and central government without fail, they are going to give you stipend of 5,000 minimum, and it can be more than that. And how many years? 3 years. After that it will be upgraded to some a big amount. Understood? So this is a central government scheme, and I am not going to give you from my pocket, and I am not asking you to deposit any money. Okay, only thing, you are sincere. You should be sincere towards your own studies. You should be helpful to your parents, and you should work for the country with the latest innovations. Okay, what is that, how is that, what you have to apply, that all I am going to give you now. And I am going to give you the authenticated information from the website itself. Okay, so before I go for that, what you have to do, you have to subscribe this channel. Okay, if you are new to this channel, you have to subscribe this channel and press bell icon. Okay, if you are already old student, and you might be knowing, it is a customary, it is a habit of the Whichcam family that they start any video with like button. Okay, so the more like and the more views I get, then I will be working on this field, so that I can give you further improved information, latest information on this regard. Okay, so let's start with that. And if you are not in the any of this category, at least kindly share this video to your family groups, friends groups, colleagues groups, so that they may be useful, it may be useful to them. By unknowingly you might be helping to them. Okay, so I hope it will be helpful to the complete India, because it is going to be innovation. Okay, it is going to be innovation oriented, research oriented. Get set, ready to go for that. Yeah, either you will do this. If you are already done this, you will like this button, and immediately share this link to the your family groups, friends groups, and colleagues groups, because they may be in need or in search of them. Actually, your career guidance starts from the 10th class itself. Okay, many are not aware that triple IT Hyderabad is having a such a high package, and they have a separate reservation for girls at 25%, and it requires separate application. So they were not knowing, but many of them realized that they need to apply separately from triple IT Hyderabad, and such a huge package with this concession for the girls in the seat and fees everywhere. And they are thinking that BITS is a very costly affair. No, they are giving 100% scholarship also. That also they are not aware. I have made a video on that. Okay, many are thinking that it is very difficult to become scientist, and it is very bad to do the BTech from any college. No, you can, from any college you complete your BTech, you can become a scientist, and not only scientist, you can get a central government job in the ISRO. That also I have made a video. Okay, so if you have not gone through these three videos, and one more thing is IISER. Okay, so these are also colleges, premium colleges related to the IIT. After the IIT, everybody is behind IIT only. So, but there are some colleges which are better than IIT, but not aware. People are not aware those colleges. On this also I made a video. Okay. So like this correct information if you get, then it will be useful for you. So it any of the video will be definitely going to be helpful for any of your friends. So don't forget to share this channel to your friends instead of sharing unnecessary videos. A short time in encouraging videos, short time entertaining videos. This is life making videos. Okay, so I hope you all will understand and do that. So let's start with the video which is related to the how to get 5,000 to 7,000 for 3 years and more than that after 3 years. Get set, go. Hi everyone. Now we are at the KVPY website. Okay. So this is the scheme offered by the central government to encourage the students about their success in the research field. India is a problematic situation. It is in a problematic situation for the research field. So it wanted to encourage the students to in the research field. For that, it is offering a stipend of 5,000. Minimum amount is 5,000. So this is the website. You can note down this, and I will give you the link in the description box. In this video, I am also going to cover where to apply, what will be the application fees, what is the procedure, and what are the streams. Most of the students are not able to understand what are the streams for it. Okay, that we are going to cover here. So first of all, let us know about the fees. Okay, so for registration you should give a fees of 1200. You should pay a fees of 1250 rupees if you are a general or OBC category. Okay, and if you are from the SC, ST or people with disability, then 625 rupees. Okay, and whatever the bank charges are there, they will be extra. Understood? And this is if you are in the class 11th and class 12th and BTech, if you are in the BA graduation, then what stream you have to select and how you have to fill up, that all everything we are going to cover in the further session. Okay, get set ready for the KVPY. Complete details about the KVPY fees already we have noted, then we will come to know about the further scheme. Okay, now the exam date and application. What is the date? Already exam date for this year. It is started on the 6th September. 6th September was the application date started, and the date is going to close on the 15th October and exam is going to be conducted on the 31st January. Okay, what will be the examination pattern and how you should prepare? Can you get old papers, and is there any special tips required that are not? I am going to tell you everything in detail. Okay, but that is going to be a separate video about the preparation strategy, exam pattern, which books you have to refer. For that I am going to separately make a video. Before that, I want that before 5th October, if you are interested, you can go for application. Okay, fees amount also I have told you, and closing date also I have told you. Okay, see, I am not just lying here. You can see here, during the first to third year of the graduation, you will be getting 5,000 monthly stipend. Okay, and annual contingency of 20,000 also will be given. Other than that, you will get monthly stipend of 7,000 after completion of graduation for 2 years. Okay, and annual contingency of 7,000, sorry, 2,800, 28,000. So this is as on date, and it may increase day by day. So better to apply it now itself, okay, without any delay. Understood? So let us see what are the KVPY. KVPY is Kishore Vaigyanik Protsahan Yojana. Okay, so this is meant for the encouraging the students in the research field. Okay, so what is that research field, and what are the levels, and what will be the selection of stream, that we are going to check it now. Okay, as of now we have covered the examination fees, examination last date, and examination conducting date, and how much you are going to get. You can also cross check, it is a central governmentally funded. Okay, so, and there is no doubt about the any frauds in this one. You are going to get 5,000 per month up to first 3 years. After that you will be getting 7,000 with the annual contingency grant of 20,000 for 3 years, and annual contingency grant of 28,000 for the further 2 years. Now let's see about the what are the conditions. If you are in class 11th, what you have to do. If you are in class 12th, what you have to do. If you are in the graduation first year, what you have to do. Okay, let's go. As I am saying, let us see the eligibility criteria. Okay, there are three streams. First, let us see about the stream SA. Okay, so first one is this is applicable for those students who are in the first year, otherwise class 11 standard, in during the academic year, that is current year 2020 to 21. Those who are in the class 11th in the 2020-21 year, they can apply for it. But one more condition is also there. They should secure 75% for open category and 65% in SC, ST, PWD, people's person with disability. Their concession having of 10% less marks also, they are eligible. And these marks must be in the specially subjects of mathematics and science of the 10th examination. Okay, so these people will start getting that 5,000 from the 2020 to 23 academic year onwards. For 3 years they will be getting, as of now it is 5,000, and after that they will be getting 7,000 for the 2 years. Okay, so provided after securing a minimum of 60% marks in aggregate science subject in the 12th standard. You are in the current 11th standard, you should have passed the 10th class with the percentage as I told you 75% or 65%. In 12th class you should have scored 60%. Okay, 60% score in the 12th class, 75% in the 10th class, and same way for SC, ST and PWD, 65 and 50% in the 12th class. Okay, so then you will be eligible to get the scholarship for 3 years and plus 2 years. Now already if you are in the class 12th, then you have to go for the stream SX. Okay, so but you should be in the stream SX only if you are a science subject. Okay, then you will be starting get in the academic year 2020 to 21, and then from when they will get 75% and 60%. 75% in the class 12. Okay, sorry, same 75% in the 10th class, and you should get that in the 12th class. 60% for the open category, 50% for the SC STR PWD in maths and science subject. Okay, so this is also applicable for PCB, physics, chemistry and biology. Okay, so these people will start getting the scholarship once they completed their 12th class and started joining in the graduation in BSc, BS, BStat, BMath are then followed by the MSc in and MS. Okay, so then if you are a student of the BSc or graduation with PCM or PCB, then you should apply for the stream SB. So stream SA, let us see, stream SA is for the class 11th, stream SX for the class 12th, and stream SB for the graduation first year. Okay, same 10th class condition, 12th class condition will be definitely same. So certain number of additional fellowships will be students belonging to SC/ST community were also operated. Okay, so same way for the PWD also, person with disability. So students enrolled in undergraduate course in BSc, physics, chemistry, mathematics, statistics, biochemistry, microbiology, these are all the research field. After that you should join in these subjects. Graduation must be in any of these subjects. Okay, you can select as per your own interest, whichever field. If you are interested in marine biology, you can go for the graduation marine biology. If you are interested in applied physics, you can go for the applied physics. These are all the good streams where you have a more opportunities in the research field. So side by side your education will be going on, at the same time you will be getting amount from the central government. I hope all of you understood, and if you got any problem you can write to me in comment section, and I will be doing some more videos with some more details about the examination pattern. But don't forget to apply this. I will be giving you the link of application in the description box. Okay, so that you can apply it before date. Okay, see you, bye bye.